Hello everyone, once again this is MB Kitchenette, where you can find easy, delicious, and healthy home-cooked recipes. And today I will share to you how to cook asparagus. Well, everyone knows asparagus is with garlic and butter or with soup. With this recipe we put some kick. We add more ingredients for the kids, to love it more. Write in the comment name and country you are, for me to greet and thank you for my next video. Tomato. Cut, remove the hard core and cut into cubes. Tomatoes are juicy fruits that can boost your health and beauty with their rich nutrients and antioxidants. Lycopene, the pigment that gives tomatoes their red color, is a powerful protector against cancer, heart disease, and skin aging. This recipe is made easy for you to follow. This recipe is good for 1 to 2 serving. If you need to serve more, then adjust the ingredients. Subscribe to join our community. We love hearing from you. Tomatoes are packed with nutrients and their benefits are even greater when they are cooked, helping towards lower blood fat levels, quicker post-exercise recovery times, healthier skin, and a reduced cancer risk. So both cooked and raw tomatoes are full of nutrients. One piece of pepper. Cut and remove the both ends. Slice in the middle, remove the seeds, and then slice. This kind of pepper is just mild. It can bring a little bit kick to the food. Aside from its tasty goodness, it helps prevent disease and improving well-being with phytochemicals and antioxidants, reducing inflammation and improving cardiovascular health, maintaining stomach health and facilitating digestion with fiber, increasing metabolism and lowering cholesterol and triglyceride levels, relieving pain and swelling associated with bone disorders like osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Your feedback helps us grow. Tell us, what would you like to see next? Chop or mince 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. It won't be a mistake if you add more. Because garlic contains compounds with potent medicinal properties, it is highly nutritious, but has very few calories. Garlic can help protect against illness, including the common cold. The active compounds in garlic can reduce blood pressure. Garlic improves cholesterol levels, which may lower the risk of heart disease. We need 1 piece of medium size of red onion and slice. Did you know that onions are rich in antioxidants, such as quercetin, anthocyanins, and sulfur compounds? They have analgesic properties and can relieve pain and swelling. They treat ulcers by healing the gastric mucosa and preventing bacterial growth. We also need 20 grams of minced pork for additional protein. In same pan, start sauteing the garlic and onion. Keep on stirring until aroma comes out, but don't let it burn out. Then add the tomato and continue cooking for 3 minutes. Add the minced pork and continue cooking for 2 minutes. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of vegetable flavor, 1 teaspoon basil, 1 teaspoon parsley, and 2 teaspoons of hoisin sauce. Continue mixing the ingredients for 1 minute, then add the bell pepper, then turn off the heat. The meat is done, set aside the meat, then we start with the asparagus. Have 300 grams of asparagus. We have to wash them first. Cut off the woody part of the spears at the bottom of each stalk. You can snap them off or use a knife. Asparagus has a number of potential health benefits, including weight loss, improved digestion, healthy pregnancy outcomes, lower blood pressure, anti-inflammatory effects, high levels of antioxidants, reduced risk of heart disease, high levels of vitamin K, which helps with blood clotting, regulation of homocysteine, amino acid, which is a risk factor in heart disease. The amino acid asparagine helps the body flush out excess salt. In a heated pan, drop some olive oil, then add the asparagus. Just keep on stirring for 2 minutes. Then we can add the pre-cooked minced pork. As you can see, the minced pork is too much for our asparagus. Take only 2 to 3 spoons for the meat, then put the other in the refrigerator. You can always use it for other vegetables. No diet choice is guaranteed to keep you cancer-free, but vegetables are full of cancer-fighting nutrients and antioxidants that may reduce your risk of certain types of cancers. Cruciferous vegetables like Brussels sprouts and cauliflower have been studied for their cancer-fighting power. There are a lot of reasons why nutrition experts are always telling people to eat more veggies. When it comes to eating vegetables, your mom was right. They're good for you. That probably doesn't come as a surprise. Most of us know that eating vegetables and fruits is a healthy habit. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell for you to always be notified. Have a happy, healthy meal.